11 things that make him addicted to you. It all comes down to how you carry yourself, how you act, and a few key components that will keep his mind and attention on you in the long run when it comes to making a man addicted to you. Instead of trying to seduce him in the bedroom, you should learn to be a good listener, keep things interesting, and make him feel like he's the only man in the world. 11. Be an effective listener. By demonstrating that you are a good listener, you are informing him that you will be his sounding board on both good and bad days. He'll be completely addicted in no time. The important thing is to be more than just a good listener. You must engage in active listening. Learn to respond when he asks for your opinion and ask follow-up questions to show him you're interested in what's going on in his life. 10. Don't attempt to change him. If you have a guy in your life who's doing things that irritate you, please let him know. However, when it comes to his personality traits, such as the way he dresses or chooses food, you must either deal with it or move on. Accepting him for who he is and not attempting to change him will earn you even more of his respect. He will feel at ease being himself around you, and he will eventually become completely addicted to you. 9. Get him to open up. Getting a guy to open up on a much deeper level is the quickest way to get him addicted to you. This does not imply that he must spill his guts and reveal his darkest secrets to you. Instead, take it slowly at first and let him share at his own pace. Make a comfortable space for the two of you to sit down and talk. He will most likely begin to share more about his past with you once he begins to relax. 8. Reflect his moods. This next trick will require some practice, but once you've mastered it, your guy will become addicted to you. You must learn to mirror his moods if you want him to fall deeply in love with you. You should be just as happy as he is if he is in a good mood. And if he's having a bad day and constantly complaining about his boss, you should join in and show him you're on his side. 7. Never, ever stop laughing. It will bring him closer to you if the two of you spend all of your time laughing and joking around. Being with you will make him happy, and being without you will make him miserable. Keep things light and fun by watching comedies together, going to stand-up comedy shows on date nights, or telling funny stories to each other. If you can keep him laughing throughout your relationship, he will quickly become addicted to you. 6. Allow him some space. If you want your guy to become addicted to you, you must give him some space. This means you should stop texting him all day, calling him every hour on the hour, and expecting to see him on all of his days off from work. Get a life, spend time with your friends, devote time to your own hobbies, and watch your relationship blossom. Giving him space will also give him time to miss you, making your time together even more special. 5. Being well-rounded. To become the type of girl that guys fall in love with, you must first become a well-rounded individual. Aside from going out and experiencing life, you must also keep up with current events, keep your mind stimulated by learning new things, and have something to talk about other than the Kardashians and Jiggy Hadid. A guy will fall more in love with you if you can bring something other than frivolous conversations and mindless gossip to the table. 4. Be his #1 supporter. Knowing he has a staunch supporter on his side is the quickest way to a guy's heart. If he knows that you will support him no matter what, it will give him the confidence he needs to face situations in his daily life. From requesting a raise from his boss to enrolling in the master's degree program he has been eyeing for years, he knows you will always be his staunchest supporter. 3. Participate in his hobbies. Opposites do attract, but if you want your guy to become addicted to you, the two of you must share more than just a few interests. We're not suggesting you transform into a female version of him. You must maintain your own identity and hobbies because they define who you are. However, you should try to participate in some of the activities that he enjoys. 2. Demonstrate your worth. If you find yourself completely losing yourself in a relationship, now is the time to break the habit. Men value women who know what they want and aren't afraid to express their concerns, as well as women who demand respect. If your guy knows you value yourself and will not settle for anything less, he will fall in love with you right away. You can't expect a man to love you unless you love yourself, right? 1. Provide stability. If he knows he can come to you and feel safe and secure, he will fall even deeper in love with you. You have just earned the key to his heart if you can become his stability and haven. Most men simply want someone in their lives who will be consistent, dependable, and stable. Make sure you're that person for him and watch as your relationship evolves. He will undoubtedly fall in love with you if you become a source of emotional and physical stability for him. There you have it. As always, thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to see more content like this.